Hello guys, this is another video on how to edit robots text file in Wix. Okay, to do that, make sure that you are logged in your Wix account. And then in your dashboard, just move or hover your mouse to Marketing and CEO. And then choose CEO Tools. Click, then scroll down, then go to robots.txt or txt editor. Click on this, and then here you will connect your domain. Since I'm not a premium user of a Wix, I cannot connect to my domain. But if you are a premium user, then you can connect your domain and you can edit your robots.txt file or activate it. Okay, if you already activated your robots.txt file, this is the process or the steps on how to edit your robots.txt file. Just go to CEO Tools in your site's dashboard and then click the robots.txt editor and then click the view file and then add your robots.txt file information by writing the directives under this is your current file. Then here in your current file, you can edit or paste here your code. And then click the Save Changes and then click Save. That's all guys. I hope this video will help you a lot and thank you.